Okay, so at this point, I've run my experiment with a range of heights. I've gathered 3 velocities for each ramp height, and I now need to find an average of those. So to find my average, I add them up. I've got 3 samples, so I divide by 3. That's also allowed me to identify any potential outliers, and it might be that I decide that 3.04 is a little bit too far out from the other 2, and so I could discount that if I wished. If I left it in, but I had considered it as an outlier, then I would certainly include that in my discussion. So I find my average velocity for each of the 3 values of velocity. That gives me these results. And then once I've done my nonlinear graph, I'm going to find out that I need to transform some of my data, and so I would come back and add another column in my table, and in this case that's going to end up being the square root of height, and so I transform my values as such. If I discover I need to add any more values in later on, I would just include another row in my table for those values.